Ghost Gang, what is good? It's your boy Sean, back with another video, and it's nighttime, and I'm using my iPhone because I didn't feel like getting the GoPro and doing all of that. But bam, from the new sponsor, Lost Fit with the LED lights, and real quick, see this bulb right under here? I'm going to swap that out. And it's a lot of glare. Throw this in, because this is my daily driver, my 2012 Impala. It's an old police car. So I'm going to try these lights out under there. And then, you know that ugly yellow dome light right there. But we're going to get under here and swap this out. So what I'm going to do is, we'll get here, get this towel. And pull this out. If I can grip it, it's not too hot. All right, so I got that bulb out. I had to get some tools. Yeah, I'll stick this one in. And I didn't want to grab these straight on because before I had messed one of these up doing it like that. Out of the way. This user error trying to get this in here. Boom. See how bright that is? Back up. Man. Alright, so this not gonna be the best video, but as you can see, that's the new LED lights in there. That's the one over there. Let me see how this look with the door closed. And I have that percent. See how bright that is. And compared to how it looked before. Alright, so for this one, I actually had to take the headlights, take the dome light apart because it's extremely too hot, and brought it in and pop these right on in there. I had to use a spare light, a spare bulb from another set that I had, because I realized this had 3 and I got 2 bulbs. So the first one, let's see, kind of hard to push this in with just my hand. Start these here. Give me 1 second. Be right back. All right, so here is the finished product. This is the extra light that I had to use because I didn't know I had 3 bulbs in there. But as you can see, got the lost fit lights in there. And let me throw this assembly back on and I'll try it out. All right, so I'm gonna make this connection back here up into this. Right here in this video is gonna be real choppy because I had to start, stop, but you will see the finished product here in a second.